Beyonce. Why are you shouting my name in that man? I told you, stop calling my name anyhow. All of my health told you should solve it. You know, kind.
So boom, some very late with you.
Get one. When over in so. So go hack a lunar. I was no, I hope you won't so. Then I want him over so. What is the carrying him so well? I'm so woman and pay. You could call he if you couldn't have come in a chat in the name. Oh, my, how would you get more? Oh, to Elamon, I'm some damn dark or anyhow to go on. What is it? Oh, my, she be more tender. The one how much in December for my body. As I get you, I think water. I think water. How I got to get to walk or cut to walk. More can I let one have to get her being. You know, when move on a Beyonce. Take water. Now, Jagga Belabra, Mamma, you now come back. My warrior, but I'm not. Get the go for Gana. Get her some. And them get her some big cup. Get her some for go them for governor. I get a meat chicken. Treble blessing knock a couple. It's some cripple. Trenamo. I can't, but I'm here. My sheep and gaga truck on my home.
Good answer.
Good answer. Huh? Me good answer.
Hey! You want to me?
Onye beke you.
I'm my Anambra.
Onye Anambra. Gine meka anum pam.
You want?
The Anambra na wanya and what onye Anambra and what the small person in Anambra state. Because Anambra ni Imo ha otu nna. Aye kebere ife. Aya ka ekere ife.
Hey!
Iwo nya Anambra na emem grass. Kwesiri mụrụ anya o. Ndị Igbo ada eme jonjo. Onye ọla wonye Igbo kwesiri ịdị fragile. That friend kwa aka ọgụ na stainless gị gba gbam kulie. Inu ihe m kwuru. Beautiful. Ke side Anambra ishi.
Sugbe.
Suya.
Sugbe.
Nsugbe. Side Nkwere. O Nsugbe nga. Ndị Nsugbe ịma na onye ọbụla wo. Gị na-eme ka ụtara ede. Kwesịrị iti go test gbari aga ọzọ gị iteta.
You what?
Were ose ote nwunye gị n'anya ya wetie gị ife n'ife gị anya emepe yi by force. Ife ayi ka ife a na-akpọ ya.
Oh, isi agụ.
Isi onye?
Isi agụ.
Isi agụrụ. Onye o kwesịrị ewu. Isi agụrụ. Ke ga isi agụrụ because agụrụ agụ na this efe. Agụ ke gị ewe ọnụ oghe. Ha. Chai. Lekwe, ihe be fe eji mara ndị Igbo. Ihe our pride. O kwesịrị yiri ya pụta ote ya nwee glory. Otu ihe na ọrị mma gị yiri ya tọgbọrọ n'ụzọ ihe na-aga mkpagharị ihe nkekwara pụta ya o kwesịrị anyị na-aga occasion otu anyị niile pụta n'igwe onye Igbo ọbụla ihe na-enye respect ekwupụrụ ikpe amasị yes this person is deserving portrayed diswished disregarded personality. Ọ bụghị yiri ya na-akpagharị agụrụ na-agụgba agụ ke ga awụ isi agụ na ọwụghị isi agụ gị kara ugbo ayipụ ya ihe abụrụ efe a na-eyi egwu n'ụlọ ọ bụrụ efe yi atụtụ afịfịa ọ bụrụ efe yi eme karịkachọ ihe awa efe dignified and this is our pride, our culture, this is our tribalism.
This is
plain. Ade yi emefe egwuregwu giro na aga yipụ ya 12 ọzọ yiri. Keep it for an occasional. In fact, this cloth should be an occasional eventual disadventure. Because this should go there. Hey, babe. Therefor. Cocaine.
Ebuka.
Oh, Ebuka. Ah. Okay. Onye gụrụ gafa ma ife ji wee bụọ gafa afọ. Because elele manya. Ife atekwesị ịkpọgo head of state. Mpago onye isi ala. Ọ bụrụ onye isi ala. Mana Maggi onye isi ụmụ nwanyị.
I can worry for you when you see me fan boy. Faji we more easier.
This is plain.
You are okay. Bambo kiji if nap. You want the hand if nap. Everything goes on. Manefa, because I am more concerned about this place.
Anambra for that matter. Anambra for that matter. The heartland of everything. Anambra ni Imo quote me. What is different between Anambra, Imo, Enugu, Abia? Asabaini Lewotu. So this cloth should be protected. I'm wearing this because I was traveling.
Hey!
Now that I come out, on your home, I'm with you. I would hear about it here, neighbor fire here. It would not okay, me as if it's nothing. I despise it. Now move. Next time you go home, take it off. You put yourself for you. Keep it. It's meant for ceremonial dispute. See what this guy demand. Here, Agahuje Kogo. This is super. Let go.
After why man do go your lamb, and then I want to run on. How do you hold on? I'm going to name it here when it's even if everybody can afford it, but let it be an occasional way. Only here get fire here. You make our culture look so incultural.
Hey!
I despise it. I detest it. And I deformat it. Yeah! Cultural costume, cultural outfit. Our tribalism. Here we hear Jimra. Here our ego. Our diabolical personality. All we are here. Yeah! Our kekura puta. Kedundebundi. What we are here. If everybody is wearing it up and down, then let's see high gauge, let's see high everybody should open their eyes. You will let me hear your barrio.
Are you playing?
I could question it ready at all time to devour and to destroy. You will argue you are not road. And you are proud to tell me you are from Anambra. If you are from Anambra, then you should go home and ask questions about what you are wearing. Don't be so immigrant.
Hey!
I despise you. Chifimo, you too talk. Don't always rely on lies. So something I say and promote. When somebody say the truth, then say the truth is bitter and it is truth. When somebody speak the truth, then stand on it and make sure that truth is being promoted. And I tell mistake. You people should wake up and start. Let's call a speed a speed. I will speed. Speed.
This is plain.
How can you use our identity? Is it fair? No, people should tell me, is it fair? What they make?
Please. I don't want to laugh too much, but I have to laugh. I want to use this opportunity to tell everybody to be careful. So many people are using our account to dupe so many people. They can make video with our face. You will see, listen and hear that yes, it's Chifimo that is talking. Perhaps it's not me. Or perhaps I'm not the real person you are seeing. Don't fall a victim. There are so many Facebook accounts. They have opened so many accounts on Facebook using my face, my DP picture or my status picture or whatever to write to people, telling them to give them money, assuming I am the person begging them for money. Please, I cannot do that, and I have never done that before. My foundation is different. Anytime you see me asking for help for the foundation, you know how we normally do it. When you're gonna get deregi inbox, deregi anything, thinking that Chifimo is crippled or his family is crippled and not me. They are looking for a way to pull down God's anointed. But God that work. So please be careful. Somebody telling you eating 5,000, you wanted 10,000. You did not work. You get 5,000. You wanted 100,000 in 1 hour. You can't use your brain. Please. Such is not existing. As far as I'm concerned, I don't know about it. So nobody should disturb me. Don't give anybody your money. Stay and work hard and God will bless you. Manomo here pomzi, shemzi, chain money or whatever. They are fake. F-A-K-E. Fake. Be warned. God bless you. We love you.
Imo one member.